All right, now let's take a look at the psychology behind the formation of this candlestick. Excuse me. If we understand the psychology behind the formation of each candlestick, it will really give us an edge in the forex market. It gives us up-to-date information on what is happening and on what to do next. All right, now for a bullish candlestick, the price usually starts or opens at the bottom here, and that is why I see open here. The price opens at the bottom here, this point, and then closes at this price at this point. All right, now after the price opens at this point, of course there will be an interaction between the buyers and the sellers. Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to Online Money with Peter. Trust you are doing great. I'm so glad to have you here today. On this platform, what I do, I teach you how to make money online using several platforms. And the platform that we are going to be using today to make money online is Forex. All right, so I'm starting a series of Forex tutorial. If you're interested in Forex, please, you can subscribe so that subsequently, as I upload more of this how to trade Forex and make money online videos, you will be one of the first to see it. Also, if you want to join our membership program, you can do that so that you receive special videos on how to make money online, also using Forex as a platform. Now, if you have done that, without wasting time, let's continue. All right, now Forex is a very good platform for you as an individual, as a family person, as a dad, as a mom, as a business owner, all right, as a student, or whoever you are. You can actually be trading Forex and be making consistent profit. You can take Forex trading as a side hustle for yourself, or you can make it a full-time hustle for yourself. It depends on you. All right, before you can make Forex a full-time thing, a full-time business, you need to know how to trade Forex very well, which I'm ready to teach you if you are willing to be patient and take all the training necessary to become a successful Forex trader. I'm a former banker. With my years of experience, I believe I'm in the right position to really show you how to trade Forex, because the way the banks trade Forex is completely different from the way retail traders trade Forex. All right, so I'm going to show you how the banks trade Forex and how the institutions, also financial institutions and other institutions, how they trade the Forex. I'm going to show you how, and if you copy how these big institutions trade Forex, you are going to be successful in the Forex space. All right, so tighten your seatbelt, and I'm going to show you how to trade the Forex market and be making consistent profits. All right, I'm going to start with candlestick analysis. All right, so if you want a comprehensive tutorial on how to trade the Forex market, just become a member, join our membership program, and I'm going to give you a complete tutorial on how to trade the Forex market. Thank you very much. All right, so how do you know what is happening in the Forex market? All right, as a retail trader, really, one of the ways of knowing what is happening in the Forex market is with the candlestick. Now, the movement of these candlesticks, you can know what is happening. All right, this is not the only information that is given to us by the movement of these candlesticks, by the formation of these candlesticks, by the candlestick patterns and everything. We also analyze the market using fundamental analysis or technical analysis. All right, okay, so for now I'm going to start with candlestick analysis. Price action is very, very key, especially if you want to be a profitable Forex trader. You need to know how to analyze the candlestick formation. You need to understand price action very, very well. All right, so without wasting time, let's dive in to candlestick analysis. All right, now let me show you how to analyze the candlestick to give us informed information before we make our trading decisions. All right, for every candlestick in the markets, you have two. We have the bullish candlesticks. We also have the bearish candlesticks. Now, the bullish candlesticks are called the buyer's candlesticks. Why the bearish candlesticks, they are called the seller's candlesticks. All right. Now, the color of the bullish candlesticks or buyer's candlesticks is green. All right. So, depending on the kind of trader you are, some traders prefer the color white. All right. But generally, the green candlesticks is the buyer's candlesticks. All right. Also, the bearish candlestick is red, but some traders might decide to change it to however color they want it to be. But for the sake of this tutorial, the bullish candlestick is green, while the bearish candlestick is red. All right. Now, let's take a look at the psychology behind the formation of this candlestick. Excuse me. If we understand the psychology behind the formation of each candlestick, it will really give us an edge in the forex market. It gives us up-to-date information on what is happening and on what to do next. All right. Now, for a bullish candlestick, the price usually starts or opens at the bottom here, and that is why I see open here. The price opens at the bottom here, this point, and then closes at this price at this point. All right. Now, after the price opens at this point, of course, there will be an interaction between the buyers and the sellers. When the price opens at this point, the sellers can come into the market, and then there will be like something like a tug of war, as it were, between the buyers and the sellers. So when the price opens here, the sellers could come in and push the price to this point, right? This is called the wick or the shadow of this candlestick. This is also called the wick, the upper shadow or the upper wick, and this is the lower shadow or the lower wick. All right. So when the price opens here, right, the sellers could enter the market and then push the price to this lower wick, this point. They push the price here. Then the buyers also will come in again and push the price up to this upper shadow or upper wick. All right. Depending on the time frame, could be a 1 hour candlestick, it could be 4 hours candlestick, could be daily candlestick. But let's assume that this is the daily candlestick. All right. So before the close of the day, the buyers and the sellers will be pushing the price up and down, and there are certain hidden factors that are responsible for the movement of this candlestick going up and down within a day. But at the close of the day, the price will close at this point. All right. If you become a member, I'm going to show you what really happens behind the scene, why the price keeps going up and down within a day and then close at this point. So I encourage you to become a member of Online Money with Peter, and you're going to get a complete information you need to be a successful forex trader. And also, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so that as I upload more of this content on how to make money online and how to trade the forex market and be making consistent profits, you'll be one of the first individuals to get notified. All right. So within a day, the price will be going up and down, and at the end of the day, the price will be closed here. All right. Now, this upper wick tells us that the price actually got to this point before the close of the day. All right. This lower wick also is telling us that the price got to this level before the close of the day. All right, now this is the upper shadow, upper wick, lower shadow or lower wick. Then from this upper shadow down to this lower shadow is called the entire range of this candlestick, while from the opening price here to the closing price here is called the body of the candlestick. I hope that you understand it. Right, so that is psychology behind the formation of this candlestick. Let's assume again that this is a daily candlestick pattern, and of course all candlestick formations do not have the same shapes. Some could be big, some could be small. Later on I'm going to tell you some of these candlestick patterns, like the pin bar, the hammer, the doji, and so on and so forth. I'm going to tell you the reason why there's a doji, the reason why there is a pin bar, the reason why there is a hammer, the reason why there's a morning star, and so on and so forth. I'm going to let you know. But for now, I'm just telling you the psychology behind the formation of each candlestick. Now, we are through with the bullish candlestick. Now, this is the bearish candlestick. Now, and also is the seller's candlesticks. All right. Now, what is the psychology behind the formation of this candlestick? And of course, as always, this is the wick, the upper wick, the lower wick or lower shadow, and this is the opening price and the closing price. Now, remember I said that for a bullish candlestick, the price opens at the bottom here and closes at the top. But for a bearish candlestick or seller's candlestick, the price opens at the top here and then closes at the bottom. Now, what is psychology behind the formation of this candlestick? All right, the psychology behind the formation of this candlestick is this. All right, when the price opens at the top here, and of course, let's assume this is a 1 hour let's assume this is a daily candlestick. Let's say at the beginning of the day, the price opens at this point. Now, before the close of the day, of course, the buyers will come in and there will be like a tug of war between the buyers and the sellers. The price opened at this point, then when the price opened at this point, all right, the sellers are the ones pushing the price down. But before the close of the day, the buyers came in and then pushed the price up to this high. Then when it got to this high, the sellers came in again and pushed the price down. It was going up and down. And at the close of the day, the price closed here. All right. Now, before the close of the day, the information this week is given to us is that before the close of the day, the price actually got to this point, and the price actually got to this point, got to this low, and it got to this high. All right, this information is very, very important when we are making our trading decisions. Okay, so the price got to this high before the close of the day, and the price got to this low before the close of the day. But at the end of the day, the price closed here. You got that? All right. Now this is the upper wick, or this is the lower wick. Now from this wick down to this wick is called again the entire range of this candlestick. Why from this opening price to this closing price, it is called the body of the candlestick. Again, from this upper wick to this lower wick is called the entire range of the candlestick, while from this opening price to this closing price, it's called the body of the candlestick. I hope you understand that. All right, so that is the psychology behind the formation of the bullish candlesticks and the bearish candlesticks. If you listen to this time, thank you very much for staying tuned to this time. I appreciate you. Once again, if you have not already subscribed to Online Money with Peter, on this channel I teach people how to make money online using several platforms, and Forex trading is one of the platforms I am teaching you now how you can make money online. All right, okay, so also if you want to have a comprehensive tutorial on how to be a profitable Forex trader, please become a member. join our membership program, and you will get intensive and comprehensive training on how you can be a successful Forex trader. Thank you very much at this point. Now, in our next slide, I'm going to show you a candlestick pattern, which is very, very important. And this candlestick pattern is called the pin bar. All right, it's called pin bar. If you know how to trade pin bar, it's going to give you an edge in the market. All right, pin bar candlestick pattern is very, very key if you want to be a successful Forex trader. Thank you very much for listening to this time. Thank you for staying tuned. I really appreciate you. All right, so if you have not already subscribed, please do, so that you get notified subsequently when I upload another video like this.